Android framework provides users location information. Application developers can use this location information to develop location-based services. This location information includes latitude, longitude, altitude, position, fixed time, speed, etc. Latitude, longitude and position fixed time are always available. Other parameters may be available, may not be available. Now, in order to use this location feature in an Android application, you have to include Google Play Services library in your module level build.gradle file. So I have included this Google Play Services library in my module level build.gradle file. I am also using the activity result API. So once you have included these dependencies in your module level build.gradle file, then you specify what location permission you are going to use. That is based on your app requirement. Access course location, access file location, access background location. Use access core location if the location accuracy is not important for you. Use access file location if you need more accurate location results. This access background location permission is available only in Android version 10 and above. That is when you are using background location updates. In Android 11, if you are using background location update, you will have to manually enable the allow all the time location in your location settings page. So now if you are asking a runtime permission in Android Oreo say, you will get a permission dialog something like this: allow location permission, allow or deny. But in Android 10, you will have these three options: allow while using this app, deny and don't ask again. In Android 11, you will get four options. That is, in between deny and allow while using app, they will get one more option. That is allow only this time. Only this time option, it will be displayed in the dialog. So now go to the code. Here I am using fused location service client. What that client does is, based on your requirement, it chooses the location technology. That is, mobile can get you the location information based on Wi-Fi network, based on the cell tower it is registered to. It can also read the location information from the built-in GPS receiver. So example, if you are specifying, like for my this demo I am using access find location permission, so it may read the location information from the GPS model instead of Wi-Fi or a cell tower. So here I provide a button. Once I click a button, I will check if the permission is available. If location permission is available, then I will read the last known location. The permission is not available, then I will request the permission. If the user denies the permission and it is not the first time I am asking permission, then I will display a message to the user saying, why do I require the location permission? Then ask the permission. Once the user grants or denies the permission, the result API is called. When he grants the permission, I will read the location information. So here, once I get the location object, I will extract the latitude, longitude, accuracy, and the fixed time, and logging those information. The other information, if available, like altitude, speed, you can read and display. So now I have connected my Samsung phone to my PC. I am going to click the button. So now it is going to return the location information. See, now I click the button. It read the location information from my mobile, and it is displaying latitude, longitude, and this it is telling that this location information is accurate up to 15 meters of accuracy. So I am right now inside my house, so the accuracy may be better if I go outside the house. And this is the fixed time. The fixed time actually in millisecond from 1970. Just for readability, I am converting that into a string format and display. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need any further information, please mail me. Bye.